Hi, this is Loudon Vergara, and I'm with ABC Bartending Schools here in Miami, Florida. In this clip, we're going to show you how to make a prickly pear margarita. Well, what is a margarita? Basically, it's a Mexican drink made with tequila, triple sec, and sour mix. Triple sec, what is that? Well, it's an orange-flavored liqueur, okay? Not very high in alcohol, but it gives it a really good flavor for your margaritas. And sour mix is basically a very concentrated lemon lime that gives it a nice froth over the top. You know, when you see your margaritas, they're shaking really good. See that little bit of foam over the top? Caused by this, okay? Now we're gonna start off with a tin filled with ice. We're gonna use some Patron. Patron is a very popular tequila that's going on out there. It's one of my favorites, to be honest with you. It's very light in flavor. It doesn't give it that strong aftertaste. About 4 seconds in there. Then you're gonna use some triple sec. Triple sec, that orange flavored liqueur I was talking to you about. Give it about 2 seconds, okay? I'm gonna grab some sour mix. I'm gonna put some sour mix in it to give it a nice bit of frosty thing. Well, you're gonna need some pickled pear juice, okay? It's a syrup that comes ready for it. Give it a nice squirt in there. And even if you want to, you can add some pear juice, just to give it a little bit of extra zing to it, that pear flavor. Do a little pear in there, and you want to go ahead and give it a good shake, okay? Very good shake, because remember, sour mix takes a little bit to get all mixed in, okay? Want to make sure you have no excess water in your glass, and pour it in there, okay? Now, to make it a pickled pear margarita, you're gonna add some grapefruit juice. Got some grapefruit down here, maybe some ruby red, okay? Grapefruit juice, and I have a prickled pear already cut up there for you. We're gonna go ahead and see what that looks like. That's a complete different variation of what a regular margarita is. It's very flavorful, but thank you for watching. This was Loudon.